Silicon connector for Dropbox. To start off, what is Dropbox? Dropbox is a file sharing and hosting service that allows businesses or individuals to store and share files securely through the cloud. However, Dropbox does not allow Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as InDesign, Illustrator, or Photoshop to link to those shared files or other cloud-resident digital assets. Silicon Connector for Dropbox fixes this shortcoming by enabling Creative Cloud applications to connect to Dropbox so you can access your files directly from Adobe InDesign, Illustrator, or Photoshop. Here is the Dropbox interface, and here are some assets in the Dropbox platform now. Here is Adobe InDesign. And this panel lets you navigate and search the same Dropbox assets without leaving the Adobe applications. You can drag and drop them into your InDesign file. And in the case of InDesign, we offer something very special, true URL linking. Rather than pointing to your local file system, it points directly to Dropbox. If you have a shared Dropbox account, this enables you to exchange InDesign files easily without having to download shared assets. As you can see, when an image is changed in the digital asset management system, every instance is automatically updated in the linked Adobe documents. This is true for every document using that image. Silicon Connector for Dropbox also lets you upload your InDesign file from your local drive, then save that back to the DAM. And of course, all DAM assets are linked to the document in real time. Meanwhile, with Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, you can navigate among individual assets. Using the same panel, you can open assets from Dropbox and then save them back to Dropbox. To sum it up, Silicon Connector for Dropbox connects Adobe Creative Cloud applications such as InDesign, Photoshop, and Illustrator to Dropbox, which means collaboration is made easy by eliminating the hassle of downloading, packaging, and relinking files. For more information, visit siliconpublishing.com/Dropbox.